there, guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with Rise Marketing and Design.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. So in today's video, we're going to do a little web design work inside of my favorite all-in-one digital marketing platform, BUILDERALL. Now, I use the Pixel Perfect Builder to create all my funnels, and I had one of my teammates, one of my partners, ask if you could put video loop inside of a background so that when someone lands on your landing page, you actually have a cool video in the background. And I'm like, of course you can do that with BUILDERALL. So what I want to do is I'm going to kind of like just play today. I am a designer at heart, so I love to just play around inside the BUILDERALL Pixel Perfect Builder. So I am going to show you how to create a simple landing page with a video background in it so that you can get some creative ideas to help you jumpstart your next project inside of the BUILDERALL Pixel Perfect Builder. So if you want to watch me go ahead and play inside the Pixel Perfect Builder and learn how to put a cool video background and build a simple landing page inside of BUILDERALL, then keep on watching. Alright, guys and gals, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with Rise Marketing and Design.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. Alright, guys and gals, let's have a little fun in today's video. Let's build something cool inside of BUILDERALL. I am going to show you how to create a simple landing page and add a video background into the BUILDERALL Pixel Perfect Builder. So let's just jump right in. Alright, guys and gals, so I am going to go into my BUILDERALL back office, and pretty soon, by the way, just in case you're watching this before July the 4th, this dashboard's going to change pretty soon, which reminds me to let you know that, guys and gals, if you want to check out BUILDERALL, get on the 7-day free trial and still lock in our current rate on the business plan of only $49.90 a month. You can still do that before June 30th, okay? If you want to learn more about partnering with my digital marketing team inside of BUILDERALL called Team Rise and get access to all our exclusive training, bonuses, share funnels, and learn how to use the product and learn how to become an affiliate inside of BUILDERALL as well, then I'll invite you to go ahead and check out our team presentation that you can check out at www.risewithbarbie.com/join Team Rise. Now, if you're watching this after July, basically our date to get grandfathered is June 30th, but we may have a little bit of wiggle room, but I can't guarantee it. So if you are watching this after July 1st, then BUILDERALL is still an incredible value at only $69.90 a month with all the awesome features that we have inside of our all-in-one digital marketing platform. So I still invite you to go ahead and check out www.risewithbarbie.com/join Team Rise to learn more about BUILDERALL, our platform, and how you can use it to grow your business. And optionally, you can also stand to make some amazing commissions both now and residually. For a real long time to come. So if you're interested in that, I will have a link for you right below. All right, guys, that intro was super long, so let's dive right into it. Let me go ahead to Builders, and I am going to go to the drag and drop Pixel Perfect, and I am going to click on New Website. Now, if you've been watching my channel for any period of time, I am a web designer by trade. That's my background. So I like to start with a blank page. I like to just get started, from scratch. I just find it a lot easier to do, even though we have some amazing templates inside of BUILDERALL. So I encourage you to go in there and play with the templates. But I'm going to start from scratch today. So we're going to go ahead and edit this template. And we are going to go ahead, and the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to bring my header up, and I'm going to bring my footer down just a little bit. And keep in mind that anything you add to the Builderall Pixel Perfect header or footer will stay all across all your pages inside of one layout. So you can put your menu up here and it'll automatically appear on all the pages inside of a layout. So just wanted to bring that to your attention. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and click on save to make sure that I save my work. So we're going to call this test video background. And yeah, we'll just leave it that way. And we're going to go ahead and click save. So we are ready to work. Now, if you've watched any of my videos in the past, I always like to start any design that I do inside of Builderall by setting my font palette first. It's just going to make everything so much easier. So let's go ahead and do that right now. I am going to go straight to Lato Black. And we're going to go ahead and hit that. And we're going to leave it at 55. And I'm going to go ahead and, no, I got to go down. I'm going to go ahead and tweak that line height as well at 55. And I already know that I am going to have a colored background. So for now, I want to go ahead and change this to white because I know that my video background is going to be white. So let's go ahead and also do the mobile version. And what happens is when you set your font palette from the get-go, it'll be a lot easier to edit the mobile version since Builderall is mobile adaptive and you can build a completely different mobile design for the mobile view, which we highly recommend it because the mobile view is a completely different experience than the desktop. So I like to go ahead and just set my font for the mobile right from the get-go. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that at 25 and you can see right here what it's going to look like. And so I'm just going to leave that at 25. And I'm also going to go ahead and bring this to white. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and click save. And then let's see. I'm going to change my H2 and then my paragraph. And that's it because we're just going to build a simple landing page. So let me go ahead and change this. Alrighty, and now we're just going to change our paragraph. Alright, so now our font palette is set and ready to go. Alright guys and gals, so now the next thing we're going to do is we are going to add a banner in here. So we're going to go ahead and click on banner. Now what we want to do is we want to have a video loop in the background, not to be confused with an actual full-length video. If you are doing a landing page that has a video, like a VSL, a video sales letter on it, then you're going to put video on it in a different way, okay? This is just so that when you land on a page, the initial thing that you see is an actual video background loop. So we would handle that in a different way. So what we want to do is go to banners and we want to go ahead and add this video banner. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I am going to right click on this banner and I'm going to go click on edit video. And I'm going to remove the video that's currently here and I am going to upload one that I downloaded. So I'm going to go ahead and click upload and I'm going to go ahead and put in this beautiful natural background. Okay, so we want to make sure that since it is a video loop, that it's not more than 20-30 seconds long. You don't want to bog down your landing page. So we're just going to go ahead and go with that. So I'm just going to go ahead and click confirm, and you can go ahead and put parallax, fix, however you want to do it. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead and put confirm. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and click on save. And we're going to go ahead and preview it so you can see how beautiful this video looks. And if you want to check out this video, I will go ahead and link it right below. I downloaded this from someone who created it on YouTube. It is royalty free, but I will go ahead and link them in the description box below if you want to check it out. Okay, so now we have this beautiful background. All right, so now let's go ahead and get a little, let's have a little fun and put in a headline. So let's go ahead and put text, and now you'll see that my headline is already there because I've already set my font palette. So I'm going to put discover Discover, let me take this out of the way. Discover the power of our all-in-one digital marketing platform and create beautiful capture pages and designs with total creative freedom. Okay, so now this is a little big. So what I want to do is I want to go right here to use a new style just so that I can go ahead and make that just a little bit smaller and make sure we are centered and we are good. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and I am going to create a opt-in form right here, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click on the plus sign and put in the email marketing form, and I'm going to go ahead and click on this one because it has a contrasting color. Okay, so it's going to ask me to configure this, but we're not going to do that right now. We're just going to go ahead and put that in. All right, and then what I'm going to do is I am going to create a box. Let's see, I'm going to create a pretty box right here, and I think I'm going to go with this one. Okay. And I'm going to right click, I'm going to go to appearance, and I'm going to go to colors, and I'm actually going to add a color inside of here. And I am going to go ahead and I'm going to put more colors so I can do transparency just a little bit, just to give that a little bit of a, you know, a little bit of a balance. And I'm also going to put my border to 1. And I'm also going to go ahead and I'm going to reduce the transparency here as well. So that looks nicer. And let me go ahead and save that color. Okay, boom. Now save that color. And so actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back here, and I'm going to click the layer and bring it back there so that now this is part of this box. Now when I put it in that box, I can move it all together, right? So I'll tell you what, if you are a web designer, Builderall, you're going to love it because you have literally full creativity. I cannot do this in a WordPress theme. I cannot just look at something and create something beautiful from the get-go like that without knowing some sort of code or something. Now, granted, there's some beautiful themes out there, but you have complete and total creative freedom inside of Builderall, and that's something that I truly, truly love. So let's go ahead and put in this. And I'm going to go, I'm going to bring this in. I'm going to put enter your best email to learn more. Okay. And I'm going to just go ahead and put that there. And I'm going to put this box in just a little bit. And I'm going to go right click this so that I can center that element. And I'm going to right click this. I can center the element. And this is nice and done. I'm going to go ahead and I am going to put I think I'm going to go green. So I'm going to go ahead and put a green background. We'll see how that looks. I could do that. Maybe something a little more vibrant or gray. I think I'm going to leave it in green. Okay, so I'm going to reduce the size of my footer just a little bit. Okay, we're going to bring this down. I'm going to open this up just a little bit. And now our landing page is starting to look real good. Okay. And then I can go ahead and, all right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to redo this part really quickly because I had to pause the video because a phone call came in. So I had to pause really quickly. So let me go ahead and center this element and center this element. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add an image over here. So let's go ahead and add an image. And let me go ahead and put that there. And what I'm going to do is I am going to right click and change the image. And I'm going to look for this cool little piggy bank, because Builderall helps you not only save more money, but it also helps you make more money, right? So let me go ahead and put this little guy right here. And I'm going to add to this headline here, unlock the secrets to higher profits and more money in your pocket with our tool. Actually, I like that as the headline. Let me go ahead and put that as a sub-headline. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bring this down just a little bit. I'm going to bring this down just a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make this a sub-headline. Why not? So I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. And I am going to copy and paste that sub-headline. And I'm going to go ahead and center that. And so we don't need as much space as I thought. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this up. And I'm going to bring this up. And I'm going to make my piggy just a little bit bigger because he is so cute. Okay, and I'm going to just bring this down a little bit. And we are pretty much done. So let's take a look. And I changed this when I got that phone call. So let me go ahead and show you how I did that. So go to Appearance, go to Header. I'm going to go ahead and make this a header that goes all the way across. And I'm going to go ahead and change out this color to this one. Okay? All right, guys and gals, let's look at the finished product. And how cool is that? Look at this, how pretty. Look at how pretty. Oh my gosh. I love it. How adorable is that, guys and gals? And without all the voiceover and training and tutorial that I just did for you, it took me 10-15 minutes to create this. Then all you got to do is connect this to our mailing boss and, you know, do your thank you page, and you're going to have a beautiful, beautiful page. Isn't that? Oh, I just love it. Total creative freedom with Builderall. I didn't have to, you know, open up sections or any of that stuff. I just literally just drag. I love how our marketing director says it. Click and drag. I just clicked and dragged, clicked and dragged, clicked and dragged. And so the only thing that you have to remember is make sure that you set your font palette from the beginning. And if you're going to use a video loop, make sure to keep it within like 20-30 seconds. Okay. And yeah, and then you can really be as creative as you want. So if you liked this video, if you liked my cute little design, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment right below this video. And if you want to go ahead and take Builderall for a 7-day free trial, please go ahead and check out the links right below this video. Or if you want to learn more about how you can align with me and my digital marketing team, Team Rise, inside of Builderall and get access to all our additional training, our share funnels, and once a month coaching, and a lot of other special goodies that, you know, just too much to mention in one video, go ahead and visit www.risewithbarbie.com/join Team Rise to learn more. So with that being said, guys and gals, thank you so much for watching this video. I love this. I think it came out really, really great, and I'm so proud of it. So yeah, you can do so much with Builderall. So thank you, guys and gals. Make sure if you like this video to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions about Builderall, make sure to leave them in the comments section below. I will do my best to answer them for you. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com. I will see you on another video. Bye!